So it looks like the cats are already happy with this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this really cute set of cat shelves, or cat perch, whatever you want to call it. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this set of wall shelves is a great way to give your cat more high places to hang out. You get two strong shelves that are designed to fit what cats naturally like to do. We all know that cats love to climb and they love to be up high. They love to be able to see everything. And this gives them that fun that they crave. What's really cool about this is it has two levels, so it works great as steps, but each shelf is also big enough for your cat to lay down and nap on. You could have one cat on each shelf. The shelves themselves were really easy to assemble. All the instructions are right in the box. It comes with everything you need, and it really didn't take that long to put them together. Just make sure you follow the instructions and then properly mount them to your wall. This is really important. You need to make sure they're properly mounted so they don't fall while your cats are playing on them. They are made out of wood, and as I said, they're really, really sturdy. They also have these mats that go on the shelves to make them extra comfy and give your cats a bit more grip when they're climbing and jumping. The little leaf decorations are an added bonus. You don't have to use these, but I think you should. It kind of gives it a little bit of a fun outdoor look, and the cats really seem to like this as kind of a hole to hide behind them. Overall, this is a really great set of shelves for cats. It gives them the high space they need, it helps them exercise their brains, and it gives them a comfy spot to hang out at. If you would like to make your room a little bit more fun for your cats, this is a great solution. We recommend this.